We are seeing quite a bit of rain, but it depends on your location. It's all about real estate today, and unfortunately, we are in the heart of the zone where we can see some of the heaviest precipitation. The MaxTrack Lot Doppler showing a line of heavy rain-producing storms and just generally showers. You can see them up from Owenton, Dry Ridge, and then running right down through Lawrenceburg, Anderson County there. In addition to heavy rain, some lightning and possibly maybe a little small hail. These aren't severe storms, but they are going to be very efficient rainfall producers and locally heavy rain. Unfortunately, they're going to be with us on and off for a couple of days. So if we look at how much we've picked up, these are radar estimates, and anywhere between about 4/10 to 6/10 on the high end, and that does match up with some of the Mesonet site totals I was looking at coming out of Shelby County. These are actual observed totals, and it's so hit or miss, but if you get hit with one like Louisville, just over 3/10 of an inch of rain there, you'll get a quick soaking, and they continue to just stream north. So all this moisture funneling into the Commonwealth ahead of a very slow moving low. And of course, you've got Arthur off the East Coast, the first named storm, an early storm. The Atlantic hurricane season hasn't even officially started yet, so yet another year where we're getting an early jump on it. That's battering the Outer Banks, the Carolinas, just off Cape Hatteras there. And they are not only dealing with heavy rain, but also the potential for rip currents. Now, that's going to continue to work its way northeast and eventually continue off out to sea. But between that and a ridge west, this upper low that's tracking in is effectively blocked. It's cut off from upper level winds. And the problem that we have isn't so much Arthur. It is that low that you see north and west as it gradually drifts in. The rain threat, the heavy rain threat from Michigan down through Indiana and Ohio, well, we've got a flash flood watch out due to that. For the majority of the area, it does exclude some of our far southern and southwestern counties here. We've also got a low-end threat for severe storms. There's a marginal risk for severe storms today, but just watch out. This moisture is going to continue to run this front that will eventually wash out, and this low just continues to settle in. The upper low and its surface reflection keeping that heavy rain and that strong storm threat going today. And then the precipitation just continues to roll in. You can see it just swirling around that wave of low pressure. This is all the way through to Tuesday. So Monday, Tuesday is going to be our time frame for the heaviest precipitation. But even into Wednesday, that rain's going to linger. So we could be, by midweek, in a band of about 2 to 4 inches of rain. It'll be spread out over a couple of days, but could rapidly lead to some potential for hazardous flash flooding, especially you're in areas where it's training, where the storms are firing and refiring over the same area. So we'll keep a close eye on that later on today, overnight, and through the day tomorrow. 72 degrees, it is at least warm. Now, we're not in the low 80s like we were for Saturday and Sunday, but a rain-cooled 63 in Louisville, and it is 80 out in Jackson. I think we're going to hover around the mid-70s. These showers and storms will become a little more numerous into the afternoon. If you stay dry, you'll end up obviously a little warmer. Showers, few thunder showers. That heavy rain threat continues overnight, and yeah, it's going to be on again, off again tomorrow as well. Lighter scattered showers Wednesday, but they're still there, and then some scattered showers and storms Thursday, Friday. Another cold front drops in, but check out that weekend. Fingers crossed we can hang on to that long Memorial Day weekend where we warm things up and back off what's going to be generally a soggy work week ahead.